Good afternoon here from Cannes, sunny Cannes. I can say it is officially boiling. So I'm happy to show you around the 895 Series 2 Sport. So this is new, this has just come out. So let me do a walkthrough and show you around this boat. So in the cockpit area, it's very nice, very large, and a really nice feature here as an extra is if you lift this glass panel up, you have a nice barbecue slash grill type thing, and then you have a very nice sink. And then you also have some additional seating there, so it makes a very nice sociable area. Then as we come into the boat, you have your typical Mary Fisher, very practical seating area, paired with it is slightly compromised, however, it still allows for cooking areas.
It's practical.
Practical. And then you also have a large fridge for your beverages, of course, on a sunny day like today. And then here you have your navigation equipment, as well as your bow thruster, and then obviously all your switches. Throttles in a very nice area. As you can see here, have a great view, almost 360. And you also have, for natural air ventilation, a sunroof, very nice and easy to operate. So let's head down to the accommodation area. So in the bow of the boat, we have the largest accommodation on board. As you can see, very nice room for the boat and a very nice space. You could easily spend a few nights in here, up to a week.
Into the heads.
We have a very nice practical space. You have this head, which can actually be used as a shower, and then you've got your toilet there. And it's quite a nice, large area for the size of the boat. And then heading into the second cabin and the final cabin, it's quite a nice space for the boat and has lots of natural light thanks to the nice windows. On a side note, when you dock in, this side door makes it very easy because, as you can see, there is lots of room. So when you're tying fenders, things like that, it just makes it really easy. So heading down the side decks, there is lots of room. You feel very safe thanks to these high railings, as well as your grab handle, which keeps it nice and secure when you're navigating yourself down, putting fenders on, things like that. So as we head to the bow, you have lots of room, and they've redesigned it so it really maximizes the space. And then you also have this, which allows for more shade when you are seating in the heat like today.
One thing Finn forgot to mention is the paddleboard rack on the roof. In a nice metallic black colour, so it really does stand out.
So this boat is fitted with the twin 250 Yamahas. They look absolutely stunning. And if you'd like any more information on this boat, then feel free to drop us a call on 01522 567 404. We're open 7 days a week for any of our boats. And if you'd like any more information specifically on this boat for a Partex deal or just on the general pricing for the specification, then get in contact with us at burtonwaters.co.uk. Look forward to seeing you soon.